Ooh. Please don't look like poo-poo. Where is my sifter? Oh, did that just go green? Ooh. Oh my god, they're so cute. Oh, stop. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. 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 That's really cute. They look perfect. Cute. Okay. Budding. Thoughts? Okay, maybe? Good enough? Not good enough? Oh. Oh no. Sorry. Oh wait, hey. Did the photo not show? Oh. All right, Barney. I'm sorry. Has the photo not been showing that whole time? Oh my god. No, it has, hasn't it? 3 out of 10. Pearl, are you alright, mate? What's going on? Are you sad? Who hurt you today? Are you having a bad day? Because you're wrong. So cute. Oh wait, I'll take away the phone camera. Sorry. Sip some cinnamon over cinnamon. Ooh, let me hide this. Okay. Polaroid. Is the Polaroid ready? Wait for me to get into position, okay? Okay. Polaroid? Anyone? Hello? Yes. Fuck yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Appreciate it. Respect. Love it. Love your work. Thank you. Down. Oh. Ooh. Let's try. I'm new here. Hey, Uni. Sorry, mate. Sorry, I don't look at YouTube. I look at it. Honestly, I just forgot for a second there.
Bye now.
Bye, Steve. Goodbye. Okay, first bite. Bit of cream, bit of straw. Oh, good bite, good bite. Strawberries make it, I will say. Great stuff. Come on. What a win. What a win. Crispy. Soft. Mmm. Was that a horse in the kitchen? Did you see him? I'm off to work. Oh, bye, Tesla. See ya. Have a good day at work. Thanks for popping in. Thank you for the double resub, you silly head. Whatever. Best part of the strawberries. No, it's great. What a great, delightful meal. Crazy. How fun. Should I cook all of this or should I feel that I should cook it and then freeze them? Do you think? No, you're excited, Winnie. Oh, I thought you were talking about Barnold. Oh. Jeez. It's been a good cooking stream. You're still up? Look at my cute waffles. Hang on. Wait. Let me take a big bite. That's a big one. Aren't they so cute? Tell me that's not the cutest thing you've ever fucking seen. Look at that. It's so cute. That's a lot of waffles. It is. I'm gonna freeze them though. I think that's a cool thing to have. Something I've never done. Let's freeze a bunch of waffles and you can chuck them in the toaster, which I haven't used a toaster in like a year. But yeah, the toaster for sure, for sure. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna get this through this batter. I bake them because keeping the batter in the fridge is not that good. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Good point, good point. We will do that. I'm getting a bit crowded here. Nice. Hey, Quali. Hey, Bane. Fool. What's up? Welcome, welcome. Oh, honestly, I'd bake them because if you freeze, they will freeze. If you freeze, they will freeze. Good tip. Great tip. Can Barney have a waffle? I mean, yeah, technically he could, but he just had his brekkie. Barney don't need no waffle. He had a delightful breakfast of bickies and air-dried meat. He is perfect. I could have just gotten up early and not have ruined my day with 4 hours of sleep. Yeah, probs. I honestly was considering not doing the waffles, to be frank, because I was feeling pretty dead. I still am. I'm running on fumes, and I feel like I'm about to die. Not to be dramatic, but I could possibly just drop dead right now. If you gave me a pillow, I would fall asleep on the table. But that's okay. I felt we had to get it done. It's a must. We promised waffles. We're gonna cook the damn waffles. And you know what? They turned out great. And now I have enough waffles to feed a village. And I know stream, you're insane. I know, it's so silly. Oh, goodbye, Daniel, on YouTube. Have a great day. You too, Daniel. You too. Thanks, Tobro. Thank you. Now it needs fried chicken. No, fried chicken. Freeze isn't edible. Kim? Are we going Philippines again? Are you making sure Philippines gets done? Ooh. Let me take a note. Did I forget anyone's? I swear, I'm pretty sure I've written them all down, right? God, I hope I haven't forgotten anyone. Actually, I saw a channel point redeem. Rice Face did Russia. I already wrote that down. And then... oh God, I'm so sorry. Dead. And then someone else did... God, I can't see it. I can't see it. Can we have Hungary? Hungary from Baba. Hungary. And then we'll do another one for Philippines. Philo is now a cool. Hey, Wake! What are you cooking? I swear. Orange juice. Here you go. It's pinned, if that helps. And there you go. You're still cooking, Respect Girl. How does it taste? Oh, so good, pals. So good. Beer battered waffle. No, the beer's just there for the vibes, okay? The beers are just vibing. They're chilling there. I don't think we need any more oil. I will stop with the oil. We've got it lubed up from the start, and I think it's fine. Berries, Aaron's are not needing this. Cool. That was for sugar. It's okay, you can fall asleep on the couch again. Bro, I think my skin is breaking out because I've been falling asleep on the couch. I'm trying to, I don't know why, I've gotten like a weird breakout across my forehead and around my jaw. Are you left-handed? Oh no, my cam's flipped. I'm sorry. And I think it's from falling asleep on the couch. Hey JP, you literally need sunshine. Yeah, you need sunshine. I get sunshine sometimes. What he was on the couch? No, I just think it's like I need to clean my pillowcases or something. Good morning one day. Oh gosh, this is done. Oh my god, they're so cute. I can't get over how cute they look. Japanese.